Mine's
Dang,
off.
it sits perfectly. Okay.
Hello, camera. Don't know if you can hear me.
14549.
We're gonna go to the car wash. Working at the car wash.
Shut up, bitch.
We should have got that on video. You have purchased.
Place vehicle in neutral.
You had purchased the deluxe one.
Vehicle in neutral. Release the brake. Do not steer.
Do not steer. Everybody windows up.
Slowly through the water.
Do not steer.
Do not steer. Get ready.
Dang, it sits perfectly.
Get ready. Get popped. We're going through the car. And it's got neon lights. Woohoo! Pull already.
It's coming. See the little yellow thing he's moving?
Pull, yo. Pull, yo. It's already going, dude. Oh, yay. Oh, God. This is our own version of Gravity Hill.
Where's the handprints? We're getting washed off.
We still got a Gravity Hill.
Is it the one on Richfield Road?
Yeah.
Cause oh, I'm steering. Sorry.
I'm sorry, too.
The car wash.
Working at the car wash. We have to walk through one.
Oh, so
I
unhappy.
want to do that too much. Car wash and then like walk through the thing. Crazy.
We gotta roll down the windows for the dryer.
Oh God, yes, you know. Oh yeah, get everything.
I don't have anything important in that hole. I do have important there.
Take it out. Put it in your dog's box. Okay. What are you gonna do with me?
Roll down your window.
No, I thought I was recording.
No.
I don't think you're gonna blow out the window though.